Alright, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. You guys know I've dedicated my channel to finding ways to make money. I've made passive income, income from eBay, income from YouTube, but there's one area, actually a lot, that I am definitely lacking, and that is with my website and ways to promote my products better online. I'm not really doing the best job of that. I really don't advertise products that I find very well. I just kind of show them on YouTube and then I never really say, hey, here's where you can buy them, or showcase them on social media, maybe like short form content or whatever. My website also is really lacking, so I just haven't had enough time and attention to like really build out that arm of my business. But that's going to change because I have found like the best tool to help me build out all of those things that I was talking about and generate more income passively for me and by extension you guys, because I'm going to teach you how to do it, and that is CapCut Commerce Pro. CapCut Commerce Pro takes all of the work out of showcasing and marketing the products that you find, whether they be on eBay, Amazon, if you're a private label seller. This tool, with just the click of a button, like you guys, it's that easy, will help you showcase any of your products to thousands upon thousands of people. Pretty much all I focus on is YouTube. That's like my primary focus. As a busy mom, that's like all I can focus on. I don't have enough time and attention. I don't have a social media manager. I do not have a team of people. It's literally just me and Editor Riff. We're the ones kind of making this channel happen. So because of that, I've been too intimidated to really jump into other platforms and grow the way I need to. There are so many opportunities to market my items and like showcase what I'm selling on eBay better, showcase private label products that I might be selling on Amazon, creating affiliate links and showcasing the products that I link to is another really cool way that I can earn income. Again, I have not had the capacity to like think about it and hire someone to manage that, but CapCut Commerce Pro makes it literally like with the click of a button, I can do all of this in minutes. So I don't have to hire out a team. I don't have to hire out somebody to do this for me. It is the most cost-efficient way that I can get videos out that help promote my products. So I know it's a lot, it's just an overview, but we're gonna get into the details of exactly how I'm gonna do that in this video. So I've used CapCut for many years. It's how I have edited my short form content when I've needed to, and when I've made some. Again, my short form content is kind of lacking. I haven't done a ton of it. I've wanted to do more, but it's been a little bit of a challenge because I don't have a team. But CapCut has CapCut Commerce Pro, which is like a new premium way to get tools that will help you with social media, selling items, affiliate links, whatever it is you're wanting to do to earn that income, which I am a fan of, you guys know. So what CapCut Commerce Pro helps you do is to, with a click of a button, with like minimal effort, you can create really eye-catching reels, ads, whatever you're needing to create to showcase your products. You can just do it with the click of a button and it links to eBay, Etsy, Amazon, anywhere. You just put your product link in. This is one feature. I'll go into other features in a second, but one of the features is you just put the URL in, you click a button, and it creates a video showcasing that product. Actually, it creates many videos that you can then pick from, and from there you can take that template, edit it, add things if you need to, captions. It's so easy to do. So really it's appealing to any online sellers who are wanting to showcase their products better because, you know, eBay is fantastic at pushing out your products if you do promoted listings, but of course we're always wanting to get as many eyes on our items as we can. And why not use social media as a tool to do it? And you guys know, like, I've created my YouTube channel, one, to teach you how to sell stuff and find stuff to sell on eBay and to flip cool items that you find at yard sales or a thrift store or whatever, but I've also shared how I make income from affiliates and YouTube AdSense, and I'm just interested in creating as many revenue streams as I can, and I've definitely been lacking in this area, which is why I wanted to create a video to kind of show you guys how I'm going to do it, and maybe you can do it too. We can challenge each other to like grow this part of our businesses in 2025 a little bit better. The videos that you create using CapCut Commerce Pro are very easily optimized for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, really any social media platform that you want to advertise to. You just select which one you want to optimize it for and it'll have it ready to go, and you can just push publish and it'll be done. There are also tools that give you insights into how well the video performed, if people clicked on it, if it was, you know, responsive, if it did well. You really need data to tell you if something's doing well or not, if videos are doing well. I mean, I know I use data all the time to see if my videos are doing well. If they're not, I make adjustments. That's such a useful tool with CapCut Commerce Pro, that they give you all those insights to know if your videos are doing well, if there's engagement with your links, all that good stuff. CapCut Commerce Pro has all of the tools that you need to really expand that arm of your business, get more eyes on your items. I think it's such a necessary tool. I'm so excited that I discovered it and that I can share it with you guys today because it's gonna be a huge part of my business coming up in 2025. This tool will especially be useful for all of your Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals that you wanted to promote. I know for my eBay store, I do a huge sale for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I let people save as much money as possible. I mean, that's the time of year to do it. I get a ton of sales that roll in usually from that, but I can spread the awareness of like my sales and products that I'm offering on my website. All right, so I'm over here now because I'm gonna share my screen with you guys and we're going to create some videos, edit them down, videos that'll showcase some of my eBay items. So we're just gonna go ahead and get started and I'll show you guys how easy it is. So this is the one-click video generator. So you just put your product link here, and again, it can be anything. I can do one of my eBay items, which I have. So I have these Fear of God sneakers that you guys know I found at a yard sale for like an amazing deal, and I'm hoping to, you know, get a little bit more traction on them. Some of my higher end items, I think this would be a great way to get traction. So we're gonna go ahead and use this link. I'm just gonna copy the link here to CapCut Commerce Pro and put the link here. Okay, so it was able to just upload all of these images for me from, you know, my shoe haul. I can take out any that like aren't gonna be cute for a video. So like, I'll just keep the product images that I think are like the best ones in here. And then you can, with advanced settings, you can pick like a script, the avatar that you want, how long you want it to be. I'm just gonna need the vertical aspect ratio because I'm posting this on, you know, social media, TikTok. So we'll go ahead and pick that so everything is right. The script has, you can just edit the script so that it can say whatever you want, and you can pick an avatar so it can say it in that voice. That's super easy. Right now it has a smart match for an avatar, but I can pick whoever I think would fit the Fear of God aesthetic. So I like these ones with like the men are already in a closet, so it looks like they're already gonna maybe try it on. Let's try Brian. Okay, so I just had to click generate video. I tweaked a couple things. It's going to create a video for me, and it was that easy. And it'll even publish it to the social media platform that I'm linked to. So, I mean, that's so easy. I can just have videos out advertising my products and get sales on them so much faster and with so many more eyes on them than I previously would. All right, so here we go. We have some 15-second videos, 30-second videos. They have like funny, they have, let's see what this one is all about.
Tired of basic kicks blending into the crowd? I copped these Fear of God clay sneakers last week. Limited edition means exclusive vibes. Crafted with premium canvas and rubber, comfort meets durability like no other.
That is so good. Like I can go ahead and quick edit it, but I think that was so good. What if we tried Derek in the living room? So I'm just gonna play around with that and the voice. You can even create custom voices. So if you want, so like if I want my own voice as an avatar, I can do that. With the advancement of custom voices, we can now create voiceovers for movies, advertisements, and more, all with the unique sound of our choice. And I'm gonna do my voice name as Ashley. Okay, so I have my custom avatar voice. It is wild, you guys. Check this out. Welcome to CapCut Commerce Pro. Let's create something amazing together. That's wild. That is what, that sounds just like me. It sounds like I just said that. That's crazy. That is crazy. So let's call it Fear of God sneakers. Let's have the resolution be as high as we can. 1080p is I think good. It goes up to 2K. So now I can go into the editor, like if I'm not loving the volume. The volume I thought of the music was just a little bit loud, so let's go ahead and we're gonna reduce that. And I can add transitions if I want to, but I think it's really good. And watch the way his mouth matches the word.
Tired of basic kicks blending into the crowd? I copped these Fear of God clay sneakers last week. Limited edition means exclusive vibes. Crafted with premium canvas and rubber, comfort meets durability like no other. Elevate your wardrobe now before they're gone. Don't wait, grab yours today.
It's so good, like it's scary good. It's so good. Oh my gosh. So that is so cool. So yeah, I can now, because I have everything done, I can export it. I can even like minimize it while I'm exporting just so I can continue to work on other projects. All right, so I also have, this is like one of the only things I have on my website, which is this t-shirt that I designed. And, but I can go ahead and feature it. So I can copy the link up here So for this one, I just put like my favorite makeup. You can share links from Amazon directly to CapCut and it will have the link ready. It will have the product video ready. Everything is completely done. So I'll just using the link alone, here is what they came up with as far as like a marketing tool.
My skin would get so oily by lunchtime. Then I found Estee Lauder Double Wear Matte Foundation. It's literally made for us with combo oily skin. Applied it at 7 a.m., went through meetings, errands, even worked out, and guess what? Still matte at 6 p.m. Plus, one swipe covers imperfections and keeps me looking fresh all day. Seriously, why haven't you tried it yet? Grab yours now and feel the magic yourself.
That's unbelievable that it did that. So I literally clicked, it was like nothing. I clicked a button and it was done. So another thing that I'm going to use all the time, because you guys know like using stock images on eBay can be a gray area, let's just put it that way. But they have AI models you can use to feature your products. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that for like an item that I'm listing on eBay. Okay, so I'm just generating some AI models based on the product images that I uploaded. So some of the image editors that they have, which are so handy for like product images for eBay, because you know, you're taking pictures of pre-owned items, but if you can juice it up a little bit, you can do AI shadows, you can batch edit and batch remove backgrounds if you're needing to do that, which is so convenient because I know a lot of times my items need to have the background removed because I'm putting them on a wall or I'm trying to hang them and they're really long and I need to edit out the background where it shows like wires and stuff. Another thing I love about it too is I can take my long form content and it will automatically crop it to have the aspect ratio that I need for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, whatever I'm trying to do. So it'll also automatically track my face so that, you know, the camera stays within that range, which makes it so easy for me to just convert that long form content, which is what I primarily make, into the short form content so that I'm making sure like I'm capitalizing on all of the aspects of social media. I've definitely been neglecting shorts, but this is gonna make it a million times easier. I am so thankful to CapCut Commerce Pro for sponsoring this video, for supporting the channel, for being such amazing partners here and wanting to help me grow my business and help all of you grow your businesses and to make it as seamless and easy as possible. I could not have asked for a better partner for this video and I am so thankful for the opportunity to share it with you guys. Thank you for joining me in this kind of different video, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button. We're so close to 200,000 subscribers. Don't forget to click the link in my description to sign up for CapCut Commerce Pro today. You guys won't regret it. It's such a great tool. Thanks again, and I'll catch you in the next one.